Welcome to UDomain OpenCloud services. Here we will show you how to create a cloud instance by yourself in our platform. Firstly, please log into our platform at opencloud.8338.hk. And then you will be seeing our service plan in Hong Kong and United States data center. Select the data center location you prefer to create an instance. Choose the service plan according to the specifications of RAM, virtual CPU, and SSD. Following up by the plan selection, please select the operating system for your instance. There is a list of OS including Linux and Windows. Please note that Windows OS is only available for Plan 004 or above. Next, enter the host name for your instance. We can support English, numbers, and symbols for the host name. You can also select value-added services for the instance, for example, additional storage, or you can add it later on after the instance is created. The final step to check out, please select the payment terms in the billing cycle pull-down menu. You can choose monthly, quarterly, or annual payment. Discounts are offered for longer contract terms. Next, click Checkout to proceed the payment. On the right-hand side of the checkout page, please enter your contact information. Also, please read and accept the T&C by checking the checkbox. Next, select the payment method. We support PayPal, credit card, Alipay, and Bitcoin payment. Finally, click Checkout to complete the purchase. In a few minutes, you will receive the confirmation email. Click the Blue button to log in UDomain's OpenCloud panel. After logging to the panel, you will see the instance you purchased. Click on the three dots for the server details. In the server details, please click Console to start configure your instance. Your service will now begin.